installment, interest due on unpaid amount. So find the total cost of car. Here we have 12 annual installments he need to pay. So first installment is installment is equals to, he paid 60,000 rupees, half of the amount, and remaining 60,000 he paid 60,000 rupees, and remaining 60,000 is left out, and he wants to pay that 5,000 rupees of each annual installments of 12. So first installment is 5,000 rupees, and the second, this is an installment 5,000 rupees, and interest is due on unpaid amount. So we need to pay the interest on unpaid amount, that is 12% of 60,000 is left out because already he paid 60,000 rupees, and remaining 60,000 rupees, for the 60,000 rupees he need to pay 12% of interest. So the installment is 5,000 rupees and 60,000 rupees and 12% of interest. So we need to find out 5,000 plus 12% of interest in 60,000, that is 12 by 100 into 60,000. After cancellation, 5,000 plus 12 into 600, 5,000 plus 7,200, 12,200 is the first installment. This is that first installment he paid. Is that 5,000 is installment, and he need to pay the interest on unpaid amount, and at the rate of 12% of interest, that is 12% of 60,000. So 12 by 100 into 60,000, 100, 100, 100. These two zeros are cancelled. 12 into 600, 12 into 600 is 7,200. There is a 5,000 here. After adding, we got 12,200 rupees. That is the first installment. Second installment is he need to pay in each installment 5,000 rupees. So 5,000 rupees is the installment, because he need to pay like that for 12 annual installments. So second installment 5,000 rupees is the constant, and he need to pay 12% of interest, 12% of interest on unpaid amount. So here unpaid amount is already he paid for 5,000, and out of 60,000 rupees, half of the amount, so there is 55,000 is left out. So 12% of 55,000. Reason is 55,000 is installment, and out of 60,000, first installment is completed of 5,000, remaining 55,000 is left out. So that's the reason 12% of 55,000. So 5,000 plus 12 by 100 into 55,000, two zeros are cancelled, 5,000 plus 12 into 550, 5,000 plus 6,600. After adding these two numbers, 11,600 is the second installment. Second installment is 11,600. So after completing the second installment, third installment is 5,000 rupees is a constant there. So 5,000 plus 12% of already he paid 5,000 and 5,000, 10,000 rupees of second installment completed. So out of 60,000, 10,000 is completed. So 50,000 will be left out here. So that's the reason 5,000 plus 12% of 50,000. So 5,000 plus 12 by 100 into 50,000. After cancellation, 5,000 plus 12 into 500. So 5,000 plus 6,000, 11,000. So third installment is 11,000. So here we can observe the first installment is 12,200 and second installment is 11,600 and third installment is 11,000. So by this we can understand it is in arithmetic progression. So the first installment is 12,200 and 12,200 and 11,600. The difference between these two terms is minus 600, and also for this 11,000. So the common difference between these three numbers is D is equals to minus 600, and the value of A is 12,200. So the first term is 12,200, the second term is 11,600, and third term is 11,000, and so on. This is in arithmetic progression. Here we got the first installment is 12,200, second installment is 11,600, and third installment is 11,000. So here the value of A is 12,200. D is equals to minus 600. We need to find out the sum of the installments of 12. So the formula for Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. Total he paid amount is 60,000, half of the amount he paid, plus n by 2, the sum of the installments of 12 is n by 2 is nothing but 12 by 2 into 2a. The value of A is 12,200 plus n minus 1, that is 12 minus 1 into D, it is minus 600. So let us see again here. Total he paid is 60,000, and the first he paid 60,000 plus sum of the 12 installments is nothing but n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, that is 12 by 2 into 2a. A is 12,200 plus n minus 1, that is 12 minus 1 into D is minus 600. 60,000 plus 12 by 2 into 2a is 12,200 plus n minus 1, 12 minus 1 into minus 600. So 12 by 2 is 6 into 2 into 2, 12,200 plus 12 minus 1 is 11 into minus 600. After simplification of this, 6 into 244 and 00, 24,400 minus 6,600. Here is the 60,000. 60,000 plus 6 into 17,800. After simplification, we'll be getting 1,66,800. Here we have taken the 60,000, the 6 into, after subtraction of these two numbers, 24,400 minus 6,600 is 17,800. After multiplication, these two numbers and adding with this 60,000, we'll be getting 1,66,800.